Hello everyone and welcome to English Shadowing. I am very happy you are here with me today. In this video, we will talk about a very important topic, finding strength in difficult times. Sometimes life is good and everything feels easy, but sometimes life becomes very hard and we do not know what to do. Maybe you lost someone you love. Maybe you lost your job or you failed a test. Maybe you feel sick or you feel sad or you feel tired all the time. When these things happen, it is not easy to smile or to feel happy. Maybe you want to sleep and never wake up. Maybe you want to cry, but you do not have the strength to do it. Maybe you look okay outside, but inside, you feel very broken. I also had moments like this in my life. I remember when I felt very weak and I thought everything was lost. I felt like I was in a boat and the boat was small and the sea was big and the storm was strong. I could not see the sun and I could not see the way to go. I only saw darkness. I was scared and I did not want to move, but something small inside me said, "Keep going." I did not know how, but I listened to that small voice. That voice was my strength, and maybe you have that voice too. So today we will talk about this strength. What is it? Where does it come from? And how can we find it when we feel weak and sad? Strength is not about never falling. It is not about being happy all the time. Strength means getting up when we fall down. It means trying again after we lose. It means looking at our pain and still choosing to walk. First, let us understand what a difficult time is. It can be many things. Some people feel pain when they lose someone. Some feel pain when they do not know who they are. Some feel sad when they feel alone in a big place. A difficult time can be about money, about health, about work, or about love. A difficult time can be inside your heart or outside in the world. But all pain is real. All pain matters. When pain comes, we often feel shock. We ask, "Why me?" or "Why now?" We feel angry or we cry. Sometimes we stop talking to people. We stop eating or sleeping. We look strong, but inside, we are tired. This is normal. You are not weak. You are human. Our mind and our body try to protect us, but sometimes they need help too. I remember a time when I cried every night. I did not want to go outside. But one day, a friend came to visit me. She said, "You do not have to talk. I will sit with you." She sat with me, and I cried, and she held my hand. That moment helped me a lot. I felt that I was not alone. Many people feel pain, but they hide it. They smile at work, they laugh with friends, but at home, they feel empty. This is real too. You are not the only one. We all have pain, and we all can find strength. Some people think that strong people never cry. That is not true. Some think strong people do everything alone. That is not true. Some think strong people are always happy. That is also not true. Strong people feel all feelings. They cry, they feel tired, but they keep going. Real strength is not about looking strong. It is about staying kind. It is about asking for help. It is about taking small steps even when it is hard. Where can you find your strength? You can find it inside you. You can speak to yourself like a friend. You can say, I am doing my best. You can rest when you are tired. You can write your thoughts. You can go for a walk. You can sit in the sun. These things are small, but they help. You can also talk to people, a friend, a teacher, a family member, or someone who listens. When you talk, your pain becomes less heavy. You do not need to be alone with your feelings. You can also find strength in helping others. When you give love, you feel love too. You can smile at someone, or help someone carry something, or just say kind words. These things make your heart strong. Nature also helps. Trees, birds, flowers, the sky, the sun, the rain. All these things give you peace. You can sit under a tree or walk near water. You can breathe in and breathe out. You can feel the ground under your feet. These are ways to come back to your heart. Also, you can move your body. You can stretch, dance, run, or walk. Moving your body helps your mind. And you can learn from your pain. You can say, this was hard, but now I understand more. You can learn about yourself. You can learn how to be patient. You can learn how to be strong in a soft way. What else can help? You can accept that life is not always in your control. You can let go of things you cannot change. You can forgive someone. You can forgive yourself. You can write your feelings in a notebook. You can write about your dreams. You can write about your fears. You can make small goals. You can say, today I will drink water. Today I will talk to one friend. These are small, but they are steps. And you can say thank you. Even when life is hard, you can find small things to be thankful for. A smile, a warm drink, a soft bed, a kind word, a bird singing, a flower on the street. These small things give light. They give hope. Hope is important. Hope is the light in the dark. Hope says, maybe not today, but one day, things will be better. And that is enough. If you keep going, you will see change. You will see that you are stronger than you think. You will see that pain does not stay forever. You will grow. You will shine again. So please do not stop. Please believe in yourself. You're doing well. You are walking a hard road, but you are walking. That is strong. That is enough. And that is beautiful. Thank you for listening today. Thank you for being brave. Thank you for being here. You are not alone. You are loved. You are strong. And I believe in you.